guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to take you inside Bergdorf Goodman. I'm going to do a full luxury shopping vlog, so make sure you're subscribed if you haven't yet, and you can also follow me on Instagram or on TikTok if you want more short form content. And now I can't wait to share with you everything inside Bergdorf. Hi guys, we are inside Bergdorf Goodman. I can't wait to share everything with you. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It helps me out so much. And of course, you can follow me on Instagram or on TikTok. It's just DV Double Vanilla. There's some Saint Laurent over here. I love this one. In the shearling and brown, really pretty. This one over here is definitely a newer piece from Saint Laurent. Super classic. Yeah, it's a nice shape, good tote, but you see how it's already kind of got creasing? It's super soft leather, so I don't know how durable that would be. And it's very floppy. This is a sac de jour, kind of like a nudie pink color. And then more of this shearling, which I really like, with the suede. This piece is really pretty. And then they have a little baby sac de jour up there. They also have these little 5 cassette bags. Again, in the shearling and leather. They also have this crushed velvet and kind of like this turquoisey color, gray. They've got the Cassandra bag, which I love the Cassandra bag. A little puffer bag. Ooh, and I love this little baby sac de jour. Can we see? This is a green. Isn't this the best color? Yeah, this is so nice. I love this little baby size. Okay, and then we've got some Fendi. I'm surprised they still have these sequin baguette bags because apparently they were sold out in most of the US. There they are. And then this is that from the Tiffany collab? I don't think so because it's got gold hardware. The Tiffany collab Fendi bags, I'm pretty sure that it's all silver hardware. I might be wrong. That one with the color over there, the multicolors, is really pretty. And then I want to show you some of these nylon pieces. Got cargo pockets everywhere, which is super popular recently. And then look at this lime green color over here. Very fun color. They've got some of their peekaboo bags over here. This one is great in ostrich. They've got this really pretty little pink one. And over here they've got this Fendi First bag, this taupe one, really pretty as well. And then over here they've got some Loewe bags. I really like these actually. Especially Loewe does so many great colors. Like look at this muted, kind of like a terracotta color, really cool. They have a lot of actually quite interesting bags. But I do want to show you quickly a little bit more Fendi because this is a newer piece. I love the length of it. It's got this great kind of like, what is that, tortoiseshell on it? Really cool. And then I wonder if this is from the Tiffany collection. It might be because it has the silver hardware. It's a little baby baguette bag. And then they've got a peekaboo back there, which is really nice. And then over here they've got some more Loewe bags. This is their little baby puzzle bag. Love the pop of orange. And then this is very classic in brown. They've kind of come out with this new style of puzzle bag. And let's see how much it's retailing for. $23.50 for this one. They've got this 3-tone one, which I like the colorways of those. I also wanted to show you a little bit of Laura Piano. They've got these great capes over here. Beautiful cashmere scarves. She also makes these bags, very minimalist, but beautifully made. The coats and the capes are so timeless. This one over here in gray. I love the navy one. And of course in black. They've got this camel one over here. It's These are such a nice statement, yet still classic. Here is a little bit of Goyard. Look at their trunks. They've got some amazing trunks up there. This one's amazing. So this piece has been so hard to find. Obviously production has been ramped up in almost all of these luxury houses, because this one you couldn't get your hands on for so long. I always forget the name of this bag, but yeah, they have it here. They're bucket bags in all of the colors. And then they have it again in a smaller size. Got these ones.
We're so happy.
Actually, I haven't seen this one before. It's probably not new, but I'm just noticing. I don't really know much about Dior. So I want to show you some of the jewelry. Last time I was in New York, I was able to show you some of the jewelry. So love these pieces. They're so beautiful. Here are the kind of the chunkier versions. A little bit hard to show the jewelry because it's in a case, but hopefully you guys enjoy the opportunity. And then this is the name of the brand if you're interested. And there's the bracelet version. They've got a necklace. This one's really cool. It kind of wraps around into a choker lariat. And then this is a chunkier version of the bracelets. Over here we have this brand. I love learning about all of these great jewelry brands. This is a little bit more statement, but not too statement. I personally really like these. They're little lockets. The heart one is so pretty. Lots of blue, which is beautiful. I love that choker with the bird. Really pretty. They've got some statement rings over there. And this over here is a different brand. This is by Love the shape of these earrings. So beautiful. I'm inside Van Cleef, and I thought I was going to show you a couple of pieces. Got this gorgeous, always classics at Van Cleef, you know what I mean? They said that there is a new collection, which hopefully I will find and show you. But I think it's called the White Guilloche collection, white gold. One of the ladies told me that. I love this bracelet over here. This is another beautiful piece. So I want to show you a little bit of Prada. They have so many fluffy bags right now. They're really cute. Very seasonal though, the fluffy bags. And then let me show you, this is more of a newer piece. Well, no, I was gonna say it's not the Clio, is it? Maybe it's like a reinterpreted Clio bag. Love this color over here. And then check out the crystal ones. These are so pretty. Love all the little diamantes. And I really love the headband. So pretty. They've got the little scrunchies. This is the super chunky one over here in purple. We've got some re-editions. Love these over here in the brown canvas and cream. They have this one over here in the beige. They also have it in the white. Got this little puffer bag over here. This little one. And then this one over here, they've got the chunky chain. Really like this one over here. This one's really cute, just a nice little classic one. And then this is from their new collection. They just launched this tote. Really pretty, it looks super durable. They've got some of these little smaller triangle bags. I always love the crystals. They also have these little phone cases as well. And then these are little card cases. There's a little mini gold vanity over there. And then again, this is from the new collection. I'm going to show you a little bit of everything while I'm here. So we've got these ones. They've got no hardware. It's just kind of all matte. Really pretty colors for the new spring season. Love it in the stuff gray. The blue is so pretty. And I just love these Triumph bags. I do prefer it in the medium size though. The canvas is also really nice. And then there's this little top handle bag by Celine. I love that. And they've got the classic belts. Love this belt over here. They also have the very dainty little one over there. And over here, they've got this piece, which is really pretty, very vintagey looking. This is basically like you can put your phone in this, maybe a card case. It's crossbody. And then this is like a little pouch. I think this has a strap, I'm pretty sure. And then this lemon yellow wallet is really pretty. as well. And then check out this tote. Love that. And this rat one over here. Let me show you. So pretty. Love this one. And then there's this one over here. They've got more of their little bucket rat and picnic bags. This one's cute. It's got a little heart. They've got this one. And I'm going to take you to the next area. Over here we've got some Kate bags, and Kate makes really minimalistic, beautiful pieces and much better price point as well. Like, let me show you this one over here. $12.50. This is a gorgeous suede. This looks very Bottega, but it is Kate, as well as this one over here. So yeah, it's a nice new, not new, but like I would say for handbags, people are really kind of getting into this brand for sure. And then a little bit of Stella McCartney. This is her main bag, the Bella bag, I believe it's called. This one's cute, beautiful, and like the crochet detail. And then there's this one in suede. A lot of people have been asking me to go into the Row, so here I am. I love the Row. They're, again, super simple, minimalistic brand, but really beautifully made, and they also do have unique pieces. I mean, this looks very vintage over here. It's a pretty gorgeous piece. It comes in suede, this little bucket style bag. They also have these little pouches here. This one over here is gorgeous with this little lock detail. There's also this one over here. This big tote. Love the shape of this one, this clutch. Very cool. It's kind of like a glossy, not quite a patent, but kind of like a cracked leather, glossy effect. And then this is one of her bags that she's really known for. I forget the name. Is it called the Margot? I can't remember, but this bag has been around a while from the Row. There's this one, which is a really cute little shoulder bag. And then there's these guys over here. And that's pretty much it for the Row for their handbags. There's a few of these up here as well. Love this big giant tote in camel up there. I've never seen this Tom Ford bag before. I like the handle on that. That's really interesting. So over here they've got some Bottega with some rhinestones. They've got a Fendi First bag over here with some shearling going on, more Fendi. These are really interesting. And I'm not sure who makes this. Oh, this is Valentino in gold. They've got some Givenchy bags over here. These are so much fun. Again, I love the little Givenchy logo chain. Really, really pretty. And I'm gonna quickly show you these ones over here. This little green one. They've got some more Givenchy Antigona bags over here. They also have the classic Antigonas without the lock. And then they've got these ones over here. Okay, I want to show you some of these Valentino bags over here with the little crystal details. So many great colors. I always love this longer style. I think it's really pretty. This one is in snakeskin, and then check out these. Look at the crystal details of those. So intricate. All of the beading. Same with this one. It's beautiful. And then I love this green color. So pretty. Let me just show you this in better lighting so you guys can really get the full effect of it. And then the green one, hopefully you can see the true color of it. It's really beautiful. There's these ones. This is kind of like a pinky nude color. This orange one. And then over here they've got these with the rock stud. So many nice pieces. And then we've got some Dior over here. So this over here is their new bag. Apparently it's just kind of pre-order right now. It's called the 9522. I forget the exact price. I think he said this was $7,262. So they're definitely like up there, more than the Lady Dior's even. They're really cool with the handles. Let me know what you guys think of these.
See again, I like these. If you didn't get it, you get the
They also have it in the cream. And then this one's really pretty over here. Beautiful. There's this one, kind of like a really unique bag. This is the new Joy size. So this is the small one. Love this red. It's a beautiful beautiful canvas piece over here. It's beautiful. And then I love these Dior gloves over here. They're so nice. Let's see. These are 1,000 USD. They're like the saddle, basically. They're from their saddle collection. They've got the monogram, antique gold hardware, this beautiful scarf with a shirling, and then look at all of this amazing jewelry. I love these rings. They're so nice. And these beautiful bracelets. These tribal earrings are great. And now Dior's finally doing some more silver because they really didn't have a lot of silver for so long. Let me show you guys. What do we think of the silver jewelry? I'm gonna move this. They've got their brooches, some tribal, and then I'm going to show you this one over here. So this is a croc iridescent Lady Dior in the classic medium size. Love all like the blue turquoise tones, some pink. This over here is lizard, I believe.
Oh, look at this one, the matte.
Yes, and this is matte as well.
That's gorgeous.
And over here, they've got this great Lady Dior. This one's so pretty. This one over here is this snakeskin? I can't tell exactly what this is. The one behind it is, though, I believe. And then more croc back there. Love the little crystal detailing. This one here is so beautiful. I love the beading detail. Such a special piece. And I believe this is a silk. Yeah, I think this is a silk. It also comes in this great color tone. So what color do you prefer, this one or that one? So beautiful. And then quickly we've got some Bottega over here. Look at all their little pouch bags. I believe, I can't remember, I think I've already gone into like a flagship Bottega. Everything is kind of like blurred together, I can't remember. But there should be a full flagship Bottega vlog coming up, mixed in with a few other stores though. This red color is so pretty.
We should figure out a game plan.
These colors over here, this green is beautiful. All right guys, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog at Bergdorf. They have so many amazing things. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram or TikTok, DV Double Vanilla. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.